and welcome to No Second Season. This is just a quick update on the Promend quick release pedals. Now, there's one downside that really does annoy me about them, and that is when you've locked your car, put your keys in your rucksack, put your rucksack on, and you realise you haven't put the pedals on your bike. It's really bloody annoying. It's the stupidest thing, but I do it quite often. Now, I've got these Promend quick release pedals on all three of my bikes now. My downhill bike, I've done 2 bike parks with that and ridden around Nail Can. On my bike packing bike, I've been on a few day adventure with that, with those pedals on, and on my trail bike, which I've ridden, I think I've had them on about a year now, and no problems have arisen. One thing I will say is, you know, obviously I'm a woman, I've got smaller feet than most blokes, although they're quite big. I take a size 7 to 8 UK, which is about a 10, I think, Australian. And they're quite wide, my shoes, and the pedals are actually quite narrow, so the width could be a problem to people with massive great plates of meat. That's Cockney rhyming slang, by the way, for feet. So yeah, I've just got my bike ready, just off to ride, car locked, pedals are in the car. How annoying. Clips, pedals. These are the first set I bought, still using them. Like I said, I've been using them a year. I don't know if this is in focus, but there's no visible damage on them. So I don't know how many kilometres I've done riding them. That was the right hand, this is the left hand. This is my foot forward pedal. There's no excessive play in any direction. And I've never lost a clip. So in this year I've been using them on all 3 bikes, I've not once lost a yellow clip yet. I hope that hasn't put the kiss of death on it. So there you have it. I am actually ready to ride now. So they're my observations about the Promend quick release mountain bike pedals. They're quite small in size, and if you're a nincompoop like me, you'll forget to put them on when you go to ride and you can't get very far without them. But apart from that, I'm really pleased with them. I mean, they're cheap as chips and they make my life so much easier and less stabby, and you're not stabbing yourself with pedals all the time. So thumbs up for the Promend pedals. And by the way, I'm not receiving any income from Promend for this. I've bought all of my pedals and this is an honest review. If this review was any use to you, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and thank you very much for watching. Until next time, over and out.
Apprenons le cha-cha-cha.